Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I shall walk you through my design process in the growing structures and furniture project. First, I shall sum up the project brief for context before taking you through my research, ideation, development of the chosen concepts, and testing out a few things to polish up the designs. Scale prototypes of the final designs for the furniture and structure shall then conclude my presentation. In summary, the task for the project was to design structural assembly connections, mainly using mild steel and timber sections, to develop a family of designs set for an urban context where there is growing need for furniture to assist with urban farming while forming communal gathering spots. After understanding the brief, I went ahead and gathered information through research boards, which I thought would help me come up with a list of specifications that would guide in my ideation as well as provide inspiration. Once this was done, I went on to start my ideation phase. I explored 3 different concepts, where I first identified a context or site for each of the concepts. I did this because it was easier for me to come up with ideas when I knew the type of place the concepts would be placed or used. Sketches helped me put my ideas down on paper, and mockups helped me figure things out more realistically as I traveled down the road to choosing a concept for further development. I chose to develop my second concept, which was set for the area outside the ladies' residences on the UJ Bunting Road campus. This concept was centered around providing outdoor places to do any drawing, typing, or writing work as an escape from or an alternative to working indoors all the time. After developing my second concept and arriving at something that seemed reasonable, I went ahead and built mock-ups of both the furniture and structure items at a 1:10 scale. These mock-ups helped me figure out the dimensions of my design, which I then used to formulate engineering sketches that would guide me in bringing the furniture and structure into CAD to create engineering drawings to be used as the blueprint for manufacturing my designs, as well as the guide to calculating the costings of each item. Though I initially felt ready to go into CAD and drive this project home, after getting feedback, I chose to go back to the drawing board again because my furniture and structure were not looking much like a family. Eventually, after figuring things out, I arrived at my final prototypes, which I made at 1:10 scale. I chose to make both the structure and furniture at this scale because it made it easier for me to see if the designs were in harmony. The downside of this, though, was that I couldn't test out the actual fasteners intended for the structural joints because of the small scale. Before ending my presentation, I'm just going to point out some of the key features in both my furniture and structure and why I chose to design them the way they are. My furniture item was mostly inspired by Japanese Zen furniture and has parts which can be rotated for versatility, meaning that it can be used either for working or relaxing in the outdoors. The structure has something cool too. Though the main frontal supports are at an angle, they are supported, actually the whole structure is mainly supported by the square mild steel tubes, which have great axial compressive strength because of their hollow nature that will prevent the structure from crumbling even on a windy day. Also, both items cater to growing plants through the trellises incorporated in their designs. Well, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.